Hi, everyone. Welcome to the Daily Dose English. I'm Lisa here. Today, we're talking about something simple, powerful, and life-changing. Basic English for everyone. And before you say, English is too hard, I'm not good at languages, my brain is not made for English, let me stop you right there. English is not only for smart people. It's not only for students with perfect grades. It's not only for people who grew up watching American movies without subtitles. English is for everyone. Yes, even you. What is basic English? Let's calm down the fear first. Basic English does not mean 12 complicated tenses, 5,000 vocabulary words, big grammar books that look scary. Basic English simply means saying hello, introducing yourself, talking about your daily life, asking simple questions, giving simple answers. For example, hello, my name is Anna. I am 20 years old. I like coffee. I work in an office. That's it. You're already using basic English. See? Not scary. The biggest problem, fear. Most beginners don't struggle with grammar. They struggle with fear. You want to speak, but your brain says, what if I'm wrong? What if they laugh at me? What if my pronunciation is bad? Let me tell you something important. The people who improve the fastest are the people who make the most mistakes. If you don't speak, you don't make mistakes. If you don't make mistakes, you don't improve. Think about learning to ride a bicycle. Did you fall? Yes. Did you fall again? Probably. But you didn't say, okay, bicycles are not for me. So why do we do that with English? The magic formula for beginners. Here is a simple formula. Subject plus verb plus extra information. Examples: I eat rice. I like music. I study English. I go to school. I watch movies. Simple, clear, powerful. You don't need advanced grammar to start speaking. You just need simple sentences. Vocabulary. Small but strong. Many beginners try to learn 50 new words a day. Day 1, I'm motivated. Day 2, what were those words again? Instead, learn 5 useful words and use them. For example, happy, tired, hungry, busy, excited. Now make sentences. I am happy today. I am tired after work. I am hungry. I am busy this week. I am excited to learn English. Boom! You're speaking English already. Quality over quantity. Pronunciation, you don't need a Hollywood accent. Good news, you do not need to sound American or British. You just need to be clear. Everyone in the world has an accent. Indian accent, Japanese accent, Vietnamese accent, French accent. Accent is not the problem. Communication is the goal. Speak clearly, speak confidently. That's enough. Practice without a partner. You don't always need a teacher or a foreign friend. You can practice alone. Wake up in the morning. Good morning. Look outside. The weather is nice. Feeling sleepy? I am tired. Cooking? I am making breakfast. Talking to yourself in English is not crazy. It's powerful. Grammar. Don't turn it into a monster. Grammar is important, but don't make it your enemy. Start with present simple. I work. I eat. I live. Past simple. I worked yesterday. I watched a movie. Future simple. I will study tonight. These 3 tenses can help you survive most daily conversations. You don't need to master everything in 1 month. Slow is okay, steady is better. Do you need to be smart? No. You need consistency, patience, courage. Some people learn fast, some people learn slowly, but the person who practices every day wins. English is not a 100-meter race, it's a marathon. Make learning fun. If learning feels like punishment, you will quit. So make it fun. Watch short English videos, listen to English songs, sing loudly even if it sounds funny, read simple stories, laugh at your mistakes. The more fun you have, the longer you continue. Stop comparing yourself. There will always be someone better, someone who speaks fluently, someone who has perfect pronunciation, someone who started earlier. That's okay. Compare yourself with yesterday's you. Yesterday, you were afraid. Today, you spoke 3 sentences. That is progress. Why basic English matters. Basic English can change your life. You can apply for better jobs, travel with confidence, make international friends, understand movies without subtitles, but more importantly, you feel stronger, you feel braver, you feel proud, and that confidence spreads to other parts of your life. A 7-day beginner challenge. Let's make it practical. Day 1, introduce yourself. Day 2, talk about your family. Day 3, talk about your hobbies. Day 4, describe your job or school. Day 5, describe your daily routine. Day 6, ask and answer simple questions. Day 7, speak for 1 minute without stopping. 1 week, just 1 week. You will surprise yourself. The truth you need to hear. You don't need to know everything to start. You just need to start. Say this today. Hello, my name is... That's your first step. Small steps still move you forward. Final message from the Daily Dose English. English is not for perfect people. It's for brave people. It's for people who try. It's for people who repeat. It's for people who don't give up. You don't need to be amazing on day 1. You just need to begin. So say it with me. I can learn English. I can speak English. I will not give up. And remember, this is your daily dose of courage, confidence, and English. See you in the next lesson.